I just finished an article on complex commercial cases from a jury's perspective. Jurors typically connect with the key players involved in a lawsuit empathetically. However, this occurs much less frequently with complex commercial cases. What lawyers typically find impressive about a witness is seen as a negative in the eyes of the jury. And it's understandable because jurors are a reflection of the public and there's a lot of mistrust of corporate America. The research that I've looked at shows that, in cases as well, plaintiffs tend to be successful when they have an emotional hook in their case and in their case narrative. But it's equally important, and I've seen this from post-trial interviews and jury research, and also just from trial observation, the defense needs an emotional hook as well to respond to and counteract the plaintiff's emotional appeals. One way to do this effectively is to have a perspective of personal responsibility, where plaintiffs are painted as opportunists trying to get rich quick or trying to attain through a lawsuit that they couldn't attain and accomplish in the business world. Also, one thing to point out is that confusion typically works against defendants in these cases. This is not typical because usually it's the party with the burden of proof that is hurt by confusion. Jurors typically know things about insurance or workplace etiquette or even toxins, but they know very little about complex financial dealings or company relationships. Therefore, the defense has to teach this to jurors. It's pretty typical, and I've heard comments to the effect of, well, the defense got up here and I'm still very confused, so they try to confuse me, which tells me that they're hiding something or they're being deceptive. Something to keep in mind as you're preparing your case. Also, finally, when you look at your own witness, you want to understand that you don't have to paint your witness as squeaky clean and somebody who has never done anything wrong, because that could backfire. Understandably, jurors would not believe that. Keep in mind that jurors can find somebody not guilty of wrongdoing and at the same time not want to hang out with them in any type of social setting. Thanks. If you want to look at the article that I wrote in its entirety, please visit my website. Thank you.